inside view of the digital fingerprint lock that I installed last weekend. Walking to the outside. Whoops, got to unlock it. Well, the sun's quite bright, so it's a little hard to see. But here's the outside view. Pretty easy install. Had to re-drill the hole for this because my previous hole was too small. All the strikers and latch assemblies were quite easy to install. Overall, quite helpful.
So this lock was super easy to install. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to set it up just because I am not a huge tool or tech person, but I had no issue setting it up, setting up my passcode, setting up user code, setting up my fingerprints. It was all a breeze. And so you just place your finger here, wait for the confirmation beep, and then you're in. And then we'll shut the door really quickly because I have mine set to 10 seconds and you'll get to watch it lock. And that's it. You're protected.
So easy to use. I always just press the 5 for 2 seconds. I hold it. Automatically locks. I get the red light. I come back over, put my fingertip on it. Automatically opens. Green light. Open the door. Whole thing was just too darn easy. I lock it from the inside.